Do you have a lot of content but not enough time to create new material? Well, today we're going to be looking at how to repurpose that content using ChatGPT. So firstly, we can start with social media posts. I just like to get ChatGPT just to confirm that it does understand the differences between the main social media accounts. Once it's provided, the little bit of information, it just helps it build on the posts. So I said, do you know the difference between the length and tone of content that should be on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter? It's given us a reply, so now it can create better outputs. So use this blog post and make 3 social media posts for LinkedIn. We want them to be informative. Now I've found, since putting websites in quotations, I never get any issues with I can't search the internet, I can't browse the internet. So give that one a go if you're ever finding you're having the error with I can't browse the internet at the moment. And this is a blog post I have written on one of my niche websites. So let's give it that. Oh, here we go. Let it give us its options. Whichever one comes out quickest. So they're not formatted very nicely. These are definitely formatted better. So here you go, you've got, so what have we got? Master the art of smoking brisket, stuck by high quality marbling season, so quick rundown on what to do, and then a link to the blog post. Fantastic. So you can see there, you've just turned an old blog post into some engaging new content, which would hopefully, engaging new social media posts, which would help to drum up a bit more attention on your social media, hopefully get some more followers. The more followers you build, the more followers you can direct back to your website. So now, obviously you can then say, now make 3 posts for Facebook. Obviously, I'm not going to go through and read them all, but you can just add in here whatever social media you were looking at doing. So that's one way to repurpose content, is social media. So next we're going to say, okay, now back to the blog. Convert this blog post into a 3-part email series with a focus on educational content. So emails are a great way to engage with your audience. That should be the goal of most businesses, is to build a bit of an email list. So with your email list, you can then email them not only informational emails, but you can send them promotions, offers, specials. There's always something you can be emailing out, and it is one of the most effective forms of marketing. So I highly suggest, if you have got any online presence, even if you're a physical store, if you can gather people's email addresses and then create a bit of an automatic email series or funnel, it is a fantastic way to go. So here we have created 3 emails. Informational, want to smoke the perfect brisket, start here. Perfect, choosing the right wood for brisket. Secrets to juicy tender brisket. So I personally would actually, I've already got brisket well covered in my emails, but if I was just starting out, from that one post, I could probably create 5 or 6 emails, which I wouldn't put them all in one series of emails. I might mix them up, or I could do one series. So there we have that. And then lastly, we are going to look at turning a video into a blog post. So this is one of my videos on using ChatGPT for affiliate marketing. So we're saying here, expand this video transcript into a 700 to 1000 word SEO optimized blog post that focuses on the key takeaways. Add extra fictional information. No. I always get confused between fiction and non-fiction, but add extra information when needed. That might work better. All right, so now we are converting a video into a blog post. Let's see how we go. What is affiliate marketing? Fantastic. Types of affiliate marketing content. What was the title? How to use ChatGPT for affiliate marketing, a step-by-step guide. Nice little intro. So you can see there, if you've got a bit of a YouTube following, you could also start writing content for them. If you're creating the videos anyway, why not go and create a website? Create blog posts. Not everyone is searching videos. They're not always searching on YouTube. So if you've built a YouTube audience, the chances are extremely high that you would be able to also go and build a audience on Google. So I'd highly suggest, if you are a YouTuber, you can go through and literally just copy this directly. Get your video transcript, chuck it into ChatGPT. You would need to, read through and make sure everything is as it should be. I mean, that formatting is looking fine. I haven't obviously read. You do want to add your personal tone of voice and things like that, but that's a whole other video on creating blog posts. But why not? If you've got the YouTube going, why not jump in and add blog posts? It would be quite easy to do because you've already got all your information in your videos, and it's just another way to build a list. Alrighty, so there we have gone through creating blog posts, videos, turning videos into blog posts, turning blog posts into email marketing, and turning blog posts into social media. So just a few quick things you can do with old content to repurpose it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.